basically apple and walnut salad.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to make the dressing first. So till then, can you just help me with tearing the lettuce?
Oh yeah, sure. I can do
Yeah.
that.
Okay. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of oil.
Okay.
Okay. So oil is added. Now I'm going to add honey into it.
How much honey is required?
It's 1 tablespoon. Everything is in same proportions. So salt. This is just as per your taste. Black pepper powder and lemon juice. So I'm using almost half a lemon.
Okay.
If you like, tangy taste, you can put more lemon.
So yeah, people can customize
As per
anything
their
what they
likings.
want.
Right. Okay, I'm going to mix this. So I'm just going to slice them thinly. More amount of fiber.
Okay.
Okay, so lettuce is giving you fiber. There's a fruit, there's cucumber. Okay, and all of this fruit and this vegetable is very low in calorie. Okay, so you have to majorly think about your calories, right, while you're reducing your meals. So when you're having only salad or just the salad, when you're having anything, so you have to see that you have anything which is low in calorie. Now I'm adding cucumber. Okay, so this is almost half a cucumber that I've added. Now I'm going to add paneer. So this paneer block is 100 grams, but I'm using half of it, so 50 grams. So why I'm crumbling the paneer? Because it gives more flavor and texture to the salad. Mint leaves, which is pudina. So why I'm tearing all the leaves? Because अगर हम लोग उसको chop करते हैं, तो while chopping many nutrients are lost.
Oh.
Yeah, you shouldn't overpower the salad with pudina because it has got sharper taste.
Okay.
So you just have it just for the flavor of pudina. Okay. So now walnuts.
Walnuts.
I'm roughly chopping them. Is good for your metabolism. So if you're losing weight, you should have nuts.
Nuts.
Yeah. It's looking really yummy, right?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Oh wow.